My name is Caleb Williams, and today I'm going to be talking about road force balancing a tire. Have you ever felt a shake or vibration in your vehicle? If so, there are many possibilities, such as a wheel bearings, U-joint, bent or broken drivetrain parts, and one of the biggest ones is your tires. Tires and wheels have to be balanced to get the vibration out of them due to unequal weight all the way around the tire. Well, to correct that, there are two different types of balancing. The problem. One day you take off in your car to go get your oil changed before a trip, and you notice your car has a vibration. Vibration is a sign most often noticed when a vehicle has unbalanced tires. Thank you to It Still Runs. When you arrive to get your oil changed, you inform them about the vibration. They drive it and come back and say all you need is your tires balanced. But just balancing your tires isn't good enough, because it may only take the slight vibrations at low speeds out, such as at 50, 60, or 70 miles an hour. Once 80 comes on, the bad vibrations start to settle back in, thanks to the FCP Euroblog. You may ask yourself, they are new tires. Why do I need to have them balanced? It's because new tires can have imperfections from the manufacturer, thanks to cartreatments.com. The solution to your tire vibrations is road force balancing. Road force balancing takes a roller back there out against the tread of the spinning tire. It applies 1,200 pounds of pressure to simulate the weight of your vehicle on the tires as it rolls down the road. Now a computer machine and sensors sense vibrations in the tread, stiffness, or the tire isn't completely round, or anything that would prevent the tire from rolling smoothly when it is weighted by the car, thanks to Motor Week. A big thing in the automotive industry today is low-pro tires. A much lower profile is the distance from the rim to the top of the tread and tends to be less, and the sidewalls become much stiffer, meaning minor problems such as imperfections in your tire can be transmitted into the car, steering wheel seat, and other parts, thanks to howmuchisit.org. Lower pro tires are much stiffer and can cause harsher vibrations, which in road force balancing will eliminate. Road force balancing also detects the up and down motion of the tire, thanks to Farlow Automotive. When the up and down motion is detected and a tire is not balanced correctly, and it will cause severe damage to suspension parts if left unbalanced. Here is the radial force variation, and the imaginary springs take out, or will tell you where to place your weights or otherwise turn the wheel on the tire. Now I'm going to show you a video of how road force balancing works.
But balance is not the only cause of wheel and tire-induced vibration. A vehicle may have 4 perfectly balanced wheels and still experience vibration. Vibration can also be caused by a bent rim, how the tire fits on the rim, or by construction characteristics of the tire. These factors contribute to road force, which is the change in force acting on a wheel assembly as it rolls. Fortunately, road force is easy to correct if you can measure it. Road force balancers emulate driving conditions by pressing a roller against the tire. The roller measures the road force for an assembly, and the balancer suggests corrections to minimize or eliminate the road force vibrations. The most common corrective actions are match mounting, the process of rotating the tire on the rim to reduce road force; bead massage, a technique of exercising the new tire to better fit the rim; or placing higher road force assemblies in less sensitive wheel positions on the vehicle, like the rear. Balancing is always required to eliminate vibrations, but eliminating all wheel and tire-induced vibration requires measuring and correcting road force as well.
So basically what they were talking about.
Why do we balance wheels? We balance.
basically what they were talking about in that video is that the matchmaking, you basically turn the tire on the wheel to line the unbalanced spot up of the tire with the wheel. It takes that stiff spot and puts it in a less unbalanced spot of the wheel, so it takes care of that. When they were talking about moving the tire to a less sensitive area, that actually takes care of the problem. It may take care of the problem totally, it may only take care of it partially until you put it back on the front. So today I have informed everyone that when you get your tires balanced, make sure they road force balance them to get every vibration possible out of them. Therefore, that is less trips to the mechanic shop and more money in your pocket. Always remember, road force balancing gets the radial force variation out of tires as well as run out vibrations. Thank you.